this is how you fix the brake lights. This is not working as well, so you can see here, if you pull down this, you can see this one and the other one there on the top. Check them both. Press the brake. Okay, now we're going to see which light is not working. So this one as well. I think that one is working, and the other one. To remove that, we need to remove that. Now the two screws are open. You should open like that, and be careful. So this is the, you can see it, yeah. So this is the top one. And then put the bow. Now, the moment of truth. So the same thing, you see this hole, these two holes, this one and two, one and two. So put it like this. We'll check if it's working. Press the brake. Let's see if it's working now. I think it's working now. See this one, and this one will be aligned here, and this one on the top. And you're putting it over. Make sure the wire is not on the way. And then we're going to put this thing. I'll show you the so where I'm going to put this thing here, one there and one on the top there. So just bolt it like that. And the other one as well. Just twist and lock, hand tight only. I'll twist this thing now, clockwise, and also the other side there, clockwise, and we are done. So we'll check again if it's still working. We're going to check if they're both working now. Let's see. So we're going to press the brake again. Press the brake. Let's see if it's working. Checking the brakes now. I press it. See if this side is working. I think it's working. Yeah, you can see it. And this one as well is working. So now we're going to put this thing. This one is the covering. Just in case you're looking for the fuse box. So the fuse box is here. Yeah, if you're looking for the fuse box as well, it's here. And the fuse box is here. This is the cover. And this is the cover on the top. Something like that, and it's done. So it's done. Thank you for watching. What's going on? So next is to change the oil. Okay, see you again.